Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I'll be showing you my entire $60,000 cryptocurrency portfolio. I will show you exactly what cryptocurrencies I'm holding and I will give you price predictions on every single one. So if you are interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also like this video. And all the platforms that I will be mentioning in this video, all the links will be in the description box below if you want to sign up and get some free cryptocurrencies. We all know Bitcoin has been on the rise and right now Ethereum is on the rise again. Cryptocurrencies are making a comeback and a lot of people are about to become extremely wealthy by investing in cryptocurrencies. So I decided to jump into the cryptocurrency market and hopefully make some money. So in this video, I will break down my entire portfolio. I do have it spread across a couple of different platforms that I use. I'll give you the pros and cons of each of these platforms as well, so you can decide which platform is best for you and best for your investments. And now let's jump right into one of my portfolios. So my first cryptocurrency portfolio is on Robinhood. Guys, I do not recommend buying cryptocurrencies on Robinhood. I'll explain later in the video. But as you can see, it is worth just under $28,000. And the cryptocurrencies that I'm holding is Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. Right now I have 21.11 Ethereum and 520 Ethereum Classic. These are the only two cryptocurrency coins that I hold on Robinhood. So let's click on Ethereum, and if we scroll down, you will see that I'm up over 130% on Ethereum. So far, I am $13,153 in the money, which is absolutely amazing. And we're gonna scroll back up. We're gonna click on Ethereum Classic. On Ethereum Classic, I'm only up 24% and about $720 something in profit. So now we're going to go back. If you see today, Ethereum is performing extremely well. Also Ethereum Classic. And I am up over $2,000. Over the entire week, I am up over $8,600 in 1 week, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Over a month, I am up $11,296. Also absolutely awesome. And over the period of 3 months, it is really about a month and a half, but I am up almost $14,000, which is absolutely insane. If you look at the flat line, that is when I was buying stocks. And then as soon as I started investing in cryptocurrencies, the chart just started going up and up and up. Like almost every week, I was getting new highs on my Robinhood account. So that is one of my public portfolios. I do not recommend buying cryptocurrencies on Robinhood. Here are a couple of reasons why. You will not be able to withdraw your cryptocurrencies. So all the Ethereum that I have on my Robinhood account, I will not be able to withdraw it into a private wallet or any of that stuff. The only way I can withdraw it is to sell it and take my profit. So if your plan is to get the crypto and withdraw it, do not buy it on Robinhood. So my plan with Ethereum is to write it up as much as I possibly can, sell the entire position in my Robinhood and take my profits. So now I will give you my prediction on Ethereum and Ethereum Classic before we move on to my second portfolio. All right, I see Ethereum going above $4,000 in the next 3 to 4 months. And for the year 2021, I'm predicting Ethereum to be over $10,000. That is my personal prediction. Do not take this as financial advice. Also, Ethereum Classic, right now it's around 7 and some change, but I'm predicting Ethereum Classic to be over $50 in the next 6 months and over $100 in 2021. And now let's go on to portfolio number 2. This is my second portfolio. It is valued just over $18,000. And in this portfolio, I am only holding one cryptocurrency, and that is Bitcoin. This is my position in Bitcoin, and I am keeping it on BlockFi. BlockFi is an awesome platform that allows you to keep your cryptocurrency on it, and it gives you interest. As you can see, I have made over $118 worth of free Bitcoin on BlockFi. This is interest that is paid to me every single day. And accrued interest is how much I have made in the last 3 days on BlockFi. Every single day, I'm averaging between $2 to $4 of free Bitcoin on BlockFi. And best of all, with BlockFi, you are able to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos, and you are able to withdraw them to any wallet that you please, which is absolutely amazing. That is something that Robinhood users cannot do. Also on BlockFi, if the price of Bitcoin goes up, then the value of your Bitcoin in this account goes up as well. And the higher it goes, the more daily income you are going to make. I opened up this BlockFi account a month and a half ago, and I deposited $10,000 into this account. So a month and a half later, my account is worth over $18,000. Thanks to Bitcoin constantly going up and the interest that I am earning on BlockFi. BlockFi is my favorite site so far simply because it pays me daily interest and it allows my cryptocurrency to grow. I will be adding to my positions on BlockFi. I will probably buy some Ethereum and let the Ethereum grow on BlockFi as well. So far, I absolutely recommend BlockFi. And if you use that link in the description box below, you can get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you deposit some money on BlockFi. So check it out. Also on BlockFi, the money is compounded. So every single month, you are earning more interest. You are earning interest on top of interest. And over time, this will snowball into a large amount and you will be able to live off of the passive income that you will be making on BlockFi. And now before we move on to my third portfolio, let me give you my price prediction for Bitcoin. I am predicting Bitcoin to be worth over $200,000. And in the next 4 to 6 months, I see Bitcoin being between $80,000 and $120,000. And now let's jump into my third portfolio so I can show you my top altcoins for 2021. Now we are inside of my third portfolio, and as you can see, it is worth over $12,478. This app is Binance.us. I absolutely love this app. It is so simple to trade, so simple to use. One of my favorite things about Binance.us is the selection of coins that they have. They have coins over $30,000 and they have coins that are 20 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, half a penny. So if you are new to investing, if you want to take a little bit more risk, investing in these smaller coins where the profit can be tremendous. These smaller coins can 10x, can 100x, can even 1,000x this year. So what are my top 2 coins for 2021? What are the coins that I am holding right now? So in my Binance.us portfolio, I am holding my number 1 pick, Cardano, and my number 2 pick, VeChain. Right now, I have over $8,000 invested in Cardano, and this gives me roughly over 31,000 Cardano coins, which is absolutely amazing. Also, in VeChain, I have over $4,000 invested, which gives me almost 157,000 VeChain coins. So if VeChain goes from 2 cents to $1, I'll be making a boatload of money. Also on Binance.us, all the cryptocurrencies that you buy are yours. Unlike Robinhood, you'll be able to withdraw them to any wallet that you want. You can transfer them out. You can trade on Binance as well. So if you're into day trading or swing trading, or you just want to have the opportunity to buy some of these smaller coins that can 10x or 1,000x, Binance.us is my top recommendation. Also on Binance.us, you are able to stake coins. This means you are able to hold coins and earn interest on the coins that you are holding. Pretty much the same thing that BlockFi offers. And now before we move on to the rest of my portfolio, let me give you my price prediction for Cardano and VeChain. Right now, Cardano is around 25 cents, but in 2021, I am predicting Cardano to be worth over $10. In the next 3 months, I'm seeing Cardano between $1.50 and $2.50. On VeChain, right now VeChain is just under 3 cents. So for 2021, I see VeChain being over $10 as well. VeChain and Cardano, in my opinion, are perfectly positioned to have an amazing 2021. So this year, these 2 coins can absolutely skyrocket. Guys, these are just my personal opinions, so do not take this as financial advice. In the rest of my cryptocurrency portfolio, I have some of it on Coinbase and some of it on Webull. Let's talk about Coinbase first. I have about $400 on there. $200 I deposited and I ended up buying the graph. It's pretty much doing nothing. But I also have about $200 that I earned on Binance for simply watching videos. It is like the free coins that they give you. They're split between XLM and a bunch of other coins. So that is my position on Coinbase. I do not use Coinbase as much right now, but I will be adding into my positions later on Coinbase. Also, I have about $2,000 worth of a Litecoin on Webull. Also, I'll probably end up closing that position as well and moving the money over probably to Binance. So there you go, my entire public cryptocurrency portfolio. Let me know in the comments section below, what are your top coins for 2021? Also, if you want to get started in investing in cryptocurrencies, check out the links in the description box below. For beginners, I absolutely recommend BlockFi and Coinbase. These two are super user friendly and very easy to navigate. And best of all, you can use your debit card, you can link your bank account, and you can start buying cryptocurrencies. And they have awesome promotions so you can get some free crypto. But for individuals that are a little bit more experienced and they want to go after these smaller coins that can 1,000x or 10,000x this year, a little bit more risk, check out Binance.us. They have the biggest altcoin selection for the US market. Also, some of the best altcoins are on Binance.us. So make sure you check that out as well. And as always, let me know your predictions in the comment section below. Like, follow, see you in the next video. Peace out.